Hello again, welcome back to Great Signature. I am Grace Anobiola. In today's video, I'm coming up with my green aromatic marinade sauce. This is amazing, okay? So I actually used this green sauce in my yamasi recipe. This green sauce can be used as a marinade, can be added to your stew and soup. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I'm using 5 medium-sized onions, 1 cup of sunflower oil. Use any oil that you have available. I may or may not use all the oil, so I'll update you on that as well. 2 green chilies, 3 habanero peppers, the green one, Petite bell pepper, papushito, half a thumb size of ginger, half a clove of garlic, 5 green bell peppers, 6 spring onions, and 1 bunch of coriander. I will not use all that, okay? The coriander, I will divide it into 2. For spice, I'll be using a teaspoon of tarragon, half a teaspoon of coriander seed, and half a teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme. So I've washed and prepped my veggies right here. It's time to chop them into my blender. Okay, so I'll cut it into small pieces so that everything will fit in my blender, and that will make the blending and process also easy. I've added in my garlic. I'm now adding the ginger, green bell pepper, petite bell pepper, and the green chilies. So now I'm going to deseed the green bell pepper, and this is how I do it. I'll first cut the top in a round shape and then get access to the part that is holding the seed, and then I'll cut that off. So it's as easy as that, just as I did in the video. And if you are not using everything, just slice it into 2, and then or the part that you need, and leave the rest with the seed in. Okay, that helps it to stay longer. And for the coriander, I didn't use all the bunch that I had. Okay, so I'm using half of that. Alright, so I could tell that the blender is getting full. That's why I decided to stop this, setting the green bell pepper, and instead add in my coriander. So I'll add the oil to this and then blend it and pause to get some space to add the remaining green bell pepper. Right, so I'll blend and pause and then add the rest. At this time, this is all the blended veggies. Okay, so I'll pour that into my pot or saucepan, and then use my spatula or ladle or whatever you are using to push everything out from the blender. Do not rinse this with water because we don't want this to get in touch with water. Okay, so I'll simmer this for about 10 minutes on a low heat. Okay, all right, so after 10 minutes, it's now time to add in our seasoning. Before I add that, I'll give this a good stir to make sure that this doesn't get stick to the bottom of my saucepan. So in a bowl, I will measure my coriander seed. I've grinded that, the tarragon, and then the dried thyme and salt. So it's half a teaspoon each. So I'll add that to my sauce and then give it a good stir. And cover it halfway, leave it for about 3 minutes, and our sauce should be ready. Okay, so at this point our sauce is ready, so I've turned off the heat. I'll then leave it to sit for about 10 minutes, and that's the remaining oil left. So now this is cool, so not completely cool, but it's fine. I'll just scoop it into my sterilized jar. Okay, so you have to keep those in an airtight container. And now our aromatic green sauce is ready. Here we go. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. And the flavors, wow, it is just amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also turn on your notification bell. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.